Alright, so we're starting cutting this stuff off. I already kind of started here. So what I'm doing with the cutoff wheel, just a 4.5 inch, I'm just cutting along the weld, but through the bracket. So cut right on the edge of the weld and on the bracket, and you're only left really with just like pretty much the weld to grind off when you're all done. I already got the whole other side done. The majority of it, that bottom one is still on, but you can see there's not a whole lot to grind off. So I was going to use a torch, but I'm not very clean with a torch and probably have a lot more to grind. So I'm just going to use a cutoff wheel. It's going pretty good actually. And then here's that cut I was talking about. So you'll cut that. I went like pretty much on the edge of the frame here, straight across, and then you'll weld on a plate on the back side, and that'll strengthen that mount back up. So I'm just working on this other front mount. So I kind of set it up here and so when you get close, you can just smack it with a hammer. I didn't even cut that side, and it broke off really clean actually. But that was in the way to get this, so I'm gonna cut the rest of that now. Okay, all those sides should be good. Now we got one across the back there, and then that cut on the motor mount. So I'm gonna get that back one first. Get this tripod situated. Alright, so you want to kind of cut on the back side, the outside of the frame. So cut basically straight, and then it'll end up going through pretty much the middle of this hole. Alright, there it is. So just a few more mounts. Gonna pull that rear cross member mount. That that mount, and then probably the I'll probably pull the rear mounts for the torsion bar, even though they're underneath the truck, can't really see them. Might as well clean it up. So yeah, that's how it looks so far. So we got all the brackets cut off. So next what I'll do is I'll take, I don't know what these things are called. It's just a grinding disc, grinding wheel. And that seems to take off the majority of the material a little faster than a flap disc. And then after that, after I get the majority off, I'll go around with the flap disc and smooth it all out, because this does a better job at smoothing it out. That one's pretty rough, so it leaves a lot of grinding marks in it. So I'll do that first, then go back over it with the flap disc, smooth everything out, and then you'll want to go around on the outside of this and down here where you're going to be welding, clean all that up, make sure there's no grease and oil on it, get all the paint and everything off, and then you can get that plate welded on there, and I'll show you guys that too. That's about as far as I'll go. And you can see I got the frame here and a little bit there. If you have any deep cuts that you cut through into the frame, go through and just weld those up and then grind them again. If it's a small scratch like that one, I probably won't worry about. That one's not very deep at all. But that one, I'll come through and I'll weld it and then grind it back down. So I'm going to hit the rest of these mounts with that rougher disc, and then I'll come back through with the flat disc. Alright, we got the majority of the heavy grinding done, so now I'm just gonna grab my flap disc, go smooth everything out, and then I still got the back side to do, but I'll just show you guys on the front side here. So it's all smoothed out, so I'll go through, hit these little cuts with the welder, and then grind them back out smooth. Some of them you don't need to worry about, like that one there, but the deeper ones definitely want to get them filled back in. Alright, so I went through, got all the grinding done. I came back and hit the little cuts with some weld. Some over here too. So I'm gonna grind all that off, smooth that out, and we should be good to go. And then next thing I'm gonna do is get the plate welded on here. So yeah, grind that off, and I'll pick up when I weld that plate on. So just go through, grind everything. I kind of already got that one ready. Make sure the plate fits good, and then you can weld it on. Alright guys, we got the frame done. I went through and welded all the little cracks. There was one there, right there. It's So I went through, welded, ground all those, got the motor mount plates welded on. They didn't fit very good, so I kind of had to build up the edges of them. Ended up using my TIG on that too. Show you the other side. So frame's ready. I threw the pitman arm on. There's that side.